Smart filters and quick views. Handling a high volume of chats can quickly get overwhelming. Finding the right conversations at the right time isn't always easy. With smart filters and quick views inside the WhatsApp team inbox, everything becomes easier to manage. Quickly switch between preset views like all chats, active chats, unread, assigned to me, pending, or even conversations from the last 24 hours. Instantly focus on the chats that need your attention. Need something more specific? Use advanced filters to narrow down conversations by chat type, status, or date range. Filter by active or expired chats. Check open, pending, or solved statuses. Or select a custom time period. Everything is organized, accessible, and easy to navigate. This helps your team stay efficient, respond faster, and never miss an important conversation.